Create this refreshing summer salad in 15 minutes with fresh and frozen ingredients tossed in a lightly seasoned, low-fat citrus dressing. Just a few ingredients are required to create this Latin-inspired salad: black beans, pickled jalapeno peppers, frozen corn niblets, frozen green beans, ground cumin, vegetable oil, salt, and 1 lime, fresh cilantro, and a small ripe tomato. I'm starting with the can of black beans. Once this can is opened, its entire contents are poured into my colander in the sink to collect the beans and remove the liquid. I'm rinsing to remove any liquid clinging to the beans. Only the beans are required for this salad. I'll leave the bean-filled colander in my sink to drain for a while until the other ingredients are prepped. The dressing preparation is next. First, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then, a half teaspoon of ground cumin and a half teaspoon of salt. Next, the lime. I'm juicing the lime to collect a total of 60 ml, equivalent to approximately 2 ounces of lime juice. This half lime yields 2 tablespoons equal to 30 ml or 1 ounce. After adding the 30 ml of lime juice to the other dressing ingredients, I'll continue with juicing the other half lime. Another 30 ml of lime juice for a total of 60 ml is added to the dressing ingredients. This lime was large, and I was able to juice 60 ml from this 1 lime. The pickled jalapeno is the final ingredient. I don't have many sliced jalapeno rings left in this jar, but I only need 2 or 3 slices. This should do. I'm removing any seeds and chopping up the slices. The seeds add a significant amount of spicy heat. I want only a hint of jalapeno flavor without the heavy spicy heat for this recipe. A light, punchy citrus flavor is the goal to keep this salad as refreshing as possible without drowning out the delicate flavors of the other salad ingredients. A few minced jalapeno slices minus the seeds adds the mildest level of heat to this salad dressing. As I add the minced jalapeno, you'll notice the separation between the thin oil layer that's floating on top of the lime juice at the bottom. The ratio of fat to acid in most dressings generally favors an abundance of fat to a much smaller percentage of acid. But in this recipe, the lime juice, the acidic ingredient, dominates and results in a lighter, more refreshing salad. While the salad dressing ingredients mix and develop flavor, I'll combine the salad ingredients. The rinsed and drained beans are first. The frozen corn is next, 1 cup. Then the frozen beans, also 1 cup. The ripe tomato is next. After dicing, this ripe tomato joins the other salad ingredients, including seeds and juice. The fresh cilantro is the final ingredient. After a quick rinse to remove sand and debris, a vigorous shake to remove excess water is all that's required prior to this fresh herbs preparation. Before I prepare this fresh herb, I'm sorting this bundle of cilantro stems so that the leafy tops are bunched together. I'm selecting only the freshest stems with supple leaves and discarding those with wilted, curled, and dried leaves. I'm gently running the blade of my knife along the length of the stems to collect the leaves, and hand-picking the remaining leaves from their stems. Only the cilantro leaves are needed for this salad. Most of the stems will be discarded. A quick chop reduces these leaves to a finer mince. The finely minced leaves will add a lighter, subtle hint of cilantro flavor, blending nicely with the other ingredients without dominating the balance of the lighter flavor notes. With all the main salad ingredients prepped and ready, there's just one last addition: the prepared salad dressing. This salad can be enjoyed immediately once the salad ingredients and dressing have been stirred together. I'm covering this salad and transferring it to my fridge for a while to allow the flavors to develop and equally chill all the ingredients. It's been 30 minutes. Time to enjoy this salad. Every delicious spoonful contains a protein alternative, grains, fruit and vegetable plus citrus and herb, an incredibly healthy combination for under 300 calories. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.